Hello students, today we will be discussing the last 3 word problems of addition chapter. Okay, let's see question number 6. In a competitive examination, 75,324 candidates were successful and 1,25,678 candidates failed. How many candidates appeared in the examination? What is a competitive examination? In your level, you write Olympiad exams, no? That is also a competitive examination. Here, the question is about a competitive examination in that some candidates passed, some students passed and some of them failed. Question is to find out how many students appeared for the examination. Means how many students wrote the exam. Okay. You can see here 75,324 candidates were successful. Means they succeeded. They won the exam. Now, what will be the statement there? Number of students who were or number of candidates who were successful is equal to 75,324. Now, what is the next? 1,25,678 candidates failed. Then next statement will be number of candidates failed in the examination, or number of candidates failed is equal to 1,25,678. Now what is the last? What is the final statement? Therefore, candidates or number of candidates appeared in the examination is equal to 1,25,678 and 75,324. What sum you are getting? That is the final answer. Means the number of students passed and failed, when you add, we get the total number of students appeared for the examination. Okay. Now we can do the next question. Question number 7. A number exceeds 2,45,670 by 37,850. What is that number? Here the question is to find out a number which exceeds this number by so much. To find out a number which exceeds the given number, what we have to do? We have to add them. Exceeds, it increases now. To find out a number which exceeds a given number, we have to add them. For these kind of questions, it's not necessary to write the statements and all. You can direct find out the answer. We can find out 2,45,670 plus 37,850. After that, we can write an answer statement like, therefore, this number, what answer you are getting, exceeds 2,45,670 by 37,850. Okay. Now the last question. Add the largest 7-digit number to the smallest 6-digit number. Question is very clear. Very clearly it is said what is to be done. What is to be done? We have to add. What are things to be added? Largest 7-digit number to be added with smallest 6-digit number. Then what will be the first statement? Largest 7-digit number is equal to, and we have to write the largest 7-digit number. Then second statement will be smallest 6-digit number is equal to, we have to write that number. Therefore, their sum, for sum is equal to, how can you find out the sum? We have to add both of them. Hope all of you understood, and be very careful. It carries, word problems carry half marks. If it is a 4 marks question, 2 marks for the process and 2 marks for your statements. All should try to find out the statements on your own. Okay, and do your word problems. Thank you.